one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope well. I'm at a new place. I've actually never been here before. It's called the Quick Pick. And, nice. I saw this on Google Maps. This is how I found it. And it's interesting as they actually don't have a burger sauce. So I got tartar and I got ketchup. Just to shake things up. Get their fries out, which they kind of fell all over the place. So they look like this thin shoestring. Looks like they cut their own fries. I mean, it tastes pretty good too. Burger out. So I got mine with no onion, of course, and I told them no lettuce, but she's like, "Oh, we actually don't have lettuce." I'm like, "Really?" Well, yeah. Like, okay. There's the burger. I got the double. So I got bacon, lettuce, or bacon, tomato, pickle, cheese, and I got all the fries that fell down in the bag. Which I'll have to dig out, but all right, give it a try. It looks like a good standard hamburger. Well, I got bacon on mine. That's a good burger. It's a Roga burger. Well, I'll tell you what. This is a good burger. I can't say I'm crazy about the fries, but they're still pretty good. So, the crazy part is I've been driving by here all the time because right across the on the other side of the freeway, which is just over there, is the Costco business I go to all the time to get my energy drinks. I could be swinging over here, grabbing a burger. A tasty one, too. Alright. Very good, but it's very drippy. No wonder they gave you so many extra napkins. However, very good burger though, I'll tell you that. So anyway, let's cut to the menu and I'll show you what they offer. And then we'll come back and close up. Alrighty, so here's the Quick Pick menu, which I will link down below. Well, it's not very... I appreciate they don't have an overly huge menu. I hope you guys can see that okay. So just go through it quick, and of course I'll link this below. So you got your burgers, and your prices. Prices may vary depending on the site. Garden burger, grilled cheese, chili dog, Long Island or long hot dog or Polish dog. You got your fries, chili cheese fries, cup of chili. I could go for a cup of chili right now. That sounds good. They got ice cream, sundaes, and floats, hot chocolate coffee, and your drinks and whatnot. And then, of course, your milkshakes, which I didn't get one this time. Could go for a milkshake, too. Even though I've had breakfast, but I'm totally thinking about a burger and a milkshake. But so I'll link this below so you can go check it out. And there you go. Ooh, they do have peanut butter. All right, well, thanks for watching. There'll be a playlist in the description and also on the end. Plus last 2 weeks ago video. So if I can find the menu too and or their website, I will put it in the oh, I guess wearing an In-N-Out shirt. That's cool. Yeah, sorry, I got distracted by someone walking by with their dog. So yeah, the menu, I'll try to link that as well in the description and in the end too. So as always, I do appreciate you watching. Have a good one. We'll catch you in the next one.